As a physician who has worked with countless men over the years, I want to have an honest conversation with you. When a man enters his 60s, his body begins to send him subtle and sometimes not so subtle signals. He may notice his energy isn't quite what it used to be. He may find that recovery after exercise takes longer, that sleep isn't as restorative, and yes, he may feel a gradual decline in bedroom performance. This is not weakness. It is not failure. It is simply the biology of aging. Testosterone naturally declines. Blood vessels become less flexible. The body's repair system slow. But here's the important truth. Just because this is common does not mean it is inevitable. Your body is not broken, it is evolving. And if you give it the right support, it can thrive well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Many men turn immediately to quick fixes, pills, powders, or flashy supplements promising miracles, but real vitality comes from a deeper place. It comes from fueling your body with nutrients that restore circulation, support hormone balance, reduce inflammation, and sharpen the mind. And some of the most powerful tools for this renewal are found in the simplest of foods, nuts. Not roasted and salted snack mixes, not sugar-coated varieties, but whole, nutrient-dense nuts that human beings have eaten for thousands of years. These nuts carry within them the raw building blocks that your body craves: healthy fats, amino acids, minerals, antioxidants, and compounds that directly support male vitality. Today, I want to talk about 3 specific nuts that every man over 60 should consider making a daily habit: walnuts, Brazil nuts, and almonds. Each of these has a unique profile of nutrients that target the exact areas where aging men often need the most help: circulation, testosterone, hormonal balance, stress resilience, and sleep quality. Let's take a closer look. Walnuts, fuel for the heart, brain, and bedroom. Walnuts often look like little brains, and nature has a way of leaving clues. Indeed, these nuts are remarkable for both brain and cardiovascular health, 2 systems deeply connected to male performance and longevity. Walnuts are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Most men don't get enough omega-3s, especially as they get older. These fatty acids do more than support the heart. They help make blood vessels supple, reduce inflammation, and keep circulation flowing smoothly. And circulation is not just about heart attacks and strokes. Proper blood flow is the single most important factor in bedroom performance. Think of it this way. Your circulatory system is like the plumbing in your home. If the pipes are stiff or clogged, water struggles to flow. But if the pipes are clean and flexible, water rushes through effortlessly. Walnuts act like natural plumbers for your blood vessels. They help keep the inner lining of arteries smooth and able to expand, ensuring that blood can travel where it needs to, including the areas of the body most important for intimacy. But walnuts offer more than omega-3s. They are rich in arginine, an amino acid that your body uses to produce nitric oxide. You may have heard of nitric oxide in commercials for medications that treat erectile dysfunction. That's because nitric oxide is the chemical signal that tells blood vessels to relax and open wider. More openness means more blood flow, and more blood flow means better performance. The beauty of walnuts is that they work with your body's natural systems. You don't need a prescription. You don't need a pill. A handful of raw walnuts each day gives your body the raw material to keep nitric oxide flowing. Walnuts are also dense with antioxidants, which protect brain cells from aging-related decline. Many men worry about memory loss, mental fog, or feeling less sharp as the years go by. Regular walnut consumption has been linked in scientific studies to better brain function, improved mood, and even protection against diseases like Alzheimer's. For men in their 60s and beyond, this means more confidence, better focus, and sharper clarity, all of which matter not just in health, but in relationships, work, and the bedroom. How to use them? Keep it simple. Eat them raw, unsalted, and in moderation. 1 small handful a day is plenty. You can sprinkle them over oatmeal, stir them into Greek yogurt, or just enjoy them as a snack. Consistency is more important than quantity. Over time, the benefits accumulate. Brazil nuts, a natural boost for testosterone and hormonal balance. Now let's turn to a nut that too many men overlook: Brazil nuts. These large, creamy nuts are not as common in most pantries, but they may be one of the most important allies for men over 60. A secret lies in a mineral called selenium. Brazil nuts are the richest known food source of selenium, a trace mineral that plays a powerful role in hormone production, immune strength, and even mood stability. Why does selenium matter so much for men? Because it is critical for testosterone production. Testosterone, as you know, is the hormone of vitality. It supports energy, muscle mass, sexual desire, confidence, and overall zest for life. As men age, testosterone naturally declines, but deficiency accelerates this decline and worsen its effects. Low testosterone doesn't just affect the bedroom. It affects how you wake up in the morning, how motivated you feel, how strong your muscles are, and even how emotionally resilient you are. Men with low testosterone often describe themselves as flat, tired, or disconnected. Selenium helps prevent this decline by supporting the glands that produce testosterone. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day give you more than 100% of your daily selenium needs. This is not a supplement, it is food-based, natural, and easily absorbed. Brazil nuts have also been linked to improved sperm health, stronger immune defenses, and reduced inflammation. In other words, they don't just boost hormones, they support the entire system that keeps a man strong, fertile, and resilient. But there's one caveat. Moderation is essential. Brazil nuts are so rich in selenium that eating too many can lead to excess. The sweet spot is 1 to 2 nuts daily. That's it. Chewed slowly, enjoyed mindfully, they deliver profound benefits without risk. Think of it like adding premium oil to an engine. You don't need gallons, just a small, precise amount keeps everything running smoothly. Almonds, the classic nut for stress, sleep, and sexual health. Finally, let's talk about a nut that almost everyone knows, almonds. Familiar does not mean ordinary. Almonds are one of the most complete, nutrient-dense foods for men, especially as they age. Almonds are rich in magnesium, zinc, protein, and healthy fats. All nutrients that directly impact male vitality. Let's start with magnesium. This mineral is often overlooked, but it is essential for over 300 processes in the body, including nerve function, muscle strength, and the regulation of stress hormones. Many men in their 60s are deficient in magnesium without even knowing it. The symptoms of low magnesium include poor sleep, restless nights, fatigue, irritability, muscle cramps, and even reduced libido. Sound familiar? By eating almonds regularly, you help replenish your magnesium stores naturally. This leads to deeper sleep, better stress resilience, and more consistent energy during the day. And when stress is managed, sexual function improves. Stress hormones and sexual hormones are in constant competition. The more stressed you are, the more your testosterone and libido suffer. Almonds help restore that balance. Zinc is another mineral found in almonds that men desperately need. Zinc is directly tied to testosterone production, sperm health, and immune strength. Without adequate zinc, testosterone levels can plummet. Almonds provide a steady source without the risks of oversupplementation. Beyond hormones, almonds also support weight management. Their protein and healthy fats keep you satisfied longer, helping prevent cravings for sugar or processed foods. Many men struggle with belly fat as they age, which further disrupts hormones. Almonds help break that cycle by promoting satiety and stabilizing blood sugar. They are also versatile. You can eat them raw, soak them overnight for better digestion, blend them into smoothies, or even use almond butter for men who struggle with late-night snacking. A handful of almonds before bed is an excellent choice. They won't spike blood sugar, and they may even promote better sleep due to the combination of magnesium and healthy fats. Why these nuts matter for men over... Now, let's step back. Why do these 3 nuts, walnuts, Brazil nuts, and almonds matter so much for men in their 60s and beyond? Because they target the root causes of declining vitality, poor circulation, low testosterone, inflammation, stress, and nutrient deficiencies. Each nut has its specialty. Walnuts optimize blood flow and protect the brain. Brazil nuts restore testosterone and hormonal balance. Almonds calm stress, improve sleep, and support sexual health. Together, they form a natural trio that strengthens the very foundations of male vitality. This is not about quick fixes. It is about building a foundation that allows you to thrive long-term. Small daily habits, consistently applied, create lasting change. Putting it all into practice. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start simple. Add a handful of walnuts to your breakfast or afternoon snack. Keep a small jar of mixed nuts in your car or office so you always have a healthy option on hand. Buy a pack of Brazil nuts and set aside just 2 per day. Treat them like a natural supplement. Swap out sugary evening snacks for almonds. They'll help you sleep better and wake up with more energy. It doesn't take much. What matters most is consistency. Over weeks and months, you will begin to notice subtle shifts, better energy in the morning, stronger stamina during the day, a a clearer mind, and yes, a renewed spark in the bedroom. Final thoughts. Reclaiming vitality, one small step at a time. Men often come to me saying, "Doc, I just don't feel like myself anymore." My answer is always the same. Your body wants to heal. It wants to thrive. But you must give it the right tools. Walnuts, Brazil nuts, and almonds are not magic bullets, but they are medicine in the truest sense, real food that works with your body's natural systems. They help restore circulation, balance hormones, calm stress, and strengthen the mind. At 60, you are not at the end. You are at a powerful stage of life where wisdom meets opportunity. By making small but consistent choices, you can enrich the quality of your days, deepen your connections, and live with vitality well into the years ahead. Remember this. Age is a number, but energy is a choice. Choose wisely, choose consistency, and start with something as simple as a handful of nuts each day.